guys, in today's video, I will be unboxing my December Luxury Divas box. Guys, I can't believe this box is here already. I ordered this one literally after I canceled my FabFitFun, so I'm so excited to see what's inside. If you're curious to see what I got in this box, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have for you the December Luxury Divas box. Guys, I gotta say, I was super stoked to start getting this subscription, but I had no idea that I would get it within literally days of ordering my first box. I was totally shocked. I thought that it would start like the following month in January, but no. They got this box to me so super fast, I couldn't believe it. I'm replacing my FabFitFun subscription with this box in hopes that they send things that are more along the lines of what I wanted for a lifestyle box, where FabFitFun was just disappointment after disappointment with each box for me. So I did decide to go ahead and cancel that one after I got this last box. Plus, their boxes take forever to get here. I don't know what happens with their shipping or how they ship things, but it literally takes forever for their boxes to get here. And this box, right after I ordered the box, like put in for the subscription and then filled out their quiz, I literally got this box in days. So super impressed by that. And I don't know very much about this company. So in the next segment, I'm going to go ahead, since they're new to my channel, I'm going to go over everything that this company has to offer, and then we'll jump into what I got in this December box. Okay guys, so when you go to their homepage, it currently looks like this. And as you can see, they have a plethora of things that they have for sale, like clothing, scarves, hats, socks, belts, shoes. They even have plus size, as well as accessories and some men's things. So that's pretty awesome. But if you're interested in their Luxury Diva accessories box, you just click this center box right here and it'll take you to this page. So they have a couple of different options to get their box. You can do a one-time purchase for $35, or you can do the subscribe and save 14.29% for $30 a month. So they offer 4 different ways for you to pay for the subscription. You could pay $30 monthly, or you could prepay for 3 months at $90, or prepay for 6 months at $180, or prepay for 12 months at $360. So what is the Luxury Divas accessory box? Well, it's a monthly fashion and accessories subscription service delivered to your home. It includes 5 to 6 fashion-related full-size products from various categories such as clothing, scarves, hats, jewelry, bags and wallets, belts, sunglasses, and beauty items. The total minimum value of $100 worth of products. It ships free to the United States. You keep everything in the box that is shipped to you. It's curated to your style, designed by women for women. It's $30 with a subscription, $35 without a subscription. There's no gimmicks, no hidden fees, and you can cancel it anytime. So what sizes do they offer? Well, they have small through 3X for the Luxury Diva box. There is no price difference for your box based upon the clothing size you choose. So where do the products come from? Well, Luxury Divas is the sponsor of the Luxury Divas accessory box. They source and purchase all of the products that are included in their boxes each month. Occasionally, they will showcase a small growing business with a cameo spot in their box to help promote their product line on their website. So do they ship internationally? Yes. International shipping is available and will incur an international shipping fee of $24.95. Now, Luxury Divas reserves the right to cancel and refund select international subscriptions for countries that do not offer adequate traceable delivery options. International shipping delivery times average 2 weeks from the date your Luxury Diva box is shipped from their New Jersey location. So I also wanted to cover that Luxury Divas has been a longtime supporter of many charities and organizations, both locally and worldwide. They have supported charities like the American Red Cross, the Breast Cancer Research Foundation, St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, Smile Train, and Toys for Tots. Now that we've covered a little bit about this company, let's jump into what they put in my December box. Okay, guys, so here's my box. Oh my gosh. I so can't wait to see what's inside. Let's open her up. Woo! Super excited. I'm going to knock my scissors off. Okay. Ooh, wow. Okay. That's very cool. So here's what it looks like when I opened it up. Looks like they have a product sheet, but I don't want to be spoiled with what's inside. We'll just go over that as I unbox the box. But we have a little note here. So here's what the card looks like. Great packaging. Great branding. That's what I'm looking for. Great branding. Welcome to the LD Box Club. I'm Marina, and I have this super cute December holiday box here. I hope you like this selection. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Love, Marina. Oh, that's cute. LuxuryDivas.com. So that is super cute, guys. That's like a nice little touch to put in a box. I absolutely love that, actually. Okay, so when I open it up, it looks like this. Look at that packaging, guys. Great branding, man. They're killing it already. I mean, look at the gold sticker. Can you guys see the gold sticker? Look at that. This is great branding and great packaging. I absolutely love this box so far. I haven't even opened it yet. Okay, let's open her up. I hate to even mess it up. They do such a great job. Ooh, so nice. Oh, look at this. Now this is what, okay. Ooh, this is what I'm talking about. Okay, I can already tell that there's not like a ton of skincare and all that kind of stuff in here. This is what I want from a lifestyle box. Okay, super awesome. So wishing you the happiest and healthiest holidays from your friends at Luxury Divas. Guys, they've got nice touch after nice touch after nice touch. Wow, I'm loving this box so far, and this first thing on top looks amazing. But they also stuck a little candy cane in here. So cute. Love that little nice touch of sticking a piece of candy in the box. Guys, oh, these feel like butter. So this is Luxury Divas brand, I guess. Yeah, it's 98% acrylic, 2% spandex, little slipper socks. Yay! Look, they match my sweater. Awesome. Guys, I love my slipper socks. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. These feel so great. Oh, I can't wait to wear these. They actually match what I have on today, which is awesome. Wow, the first thing, super excited. Let's see what it says about this really quick here. Non-skid, one pair of soft knit slipper socks. Perfect for lounging around or when your feet need a little break or need a comfort break. These soft knit slipper socks are the best, easy on and off design. Each pair features non-slip pads on the sole. Not sure if you guys saw those on there. They're talking about these. Oh, look at how branded this stuff is. I didn't even notice that. Look. The little gold Luxury Diva, these, they're branding. They're stellar. Wow, that's pretty awesome. So anyways, the tip is pack a pair of these to wear when visiting homes that make you take off your shoes when entering. Like mine. Can't wear shoes in my house, guys. So they have them in blue, brown, or blue, black, brown, and gray. Obviously, they sent me the gray pair, and the value of these slipper socks is $10, which I feel is very reasonably priced. I love these, guys. I'm excited about the socks. Where am I going to sit stuff? I always have this issue. I've got to work this 2021. Work on getting my craft studio ready so I have a nice area to do these unboxings at. Okay, so we have a Sinful Eyes Roleplay palette. So they do have a palette in here, guys, but the bulk of this looks to be other stuff. So pretty awesome. Here's the palette. So great. Okay, I'm going to use my scissors that I remembered to bring back here to open up this palette because it is sealed very good. Okay, let's open it up so that we can show you guys what the palette looks like and I can see. Ooh, pretty. Let's go ahead and move the little sheet up. I'll put it down here because I think you get a glare with it. This is a nice little palette. Look at that. I will use all those colors for sure. And I do use them on a regular basis. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, that's nice. So we got a nice little palette in here. Let's go ahead and take a look at what it says about the palette. Let's see. Sinful Eyes Roleplay 16 color eyeshadow palette with a wide range of shades and textures from sultry mattes to vibrant metallics and shimmers. This palette creates a beautiful array of looks. Each shade can be used on your eyes or as a brilliant facial contour. I'm not good at contouring. So it's only available in the way you see it here. And the value of this palette is $20. Not bad. Not bad. Love it. Okay, so guys, they are definitely killing it so far. And I've only got 2 products out of this bag. Awesome. Ooh, what's this? Looks like some jewelry. How cute is that? Dude, their packaging. I'm so impressed with their packaging and their branding. I am really impressed. Okay. Ooh, this is super cute. Oh, look how fun this is, guys. It's like little cubes and they have little stones in the center of the cubes. So I'm not sure if you guys are going to get that on the camera. I hope that you are, because this is really cute and very different and something that I will totally wear. Look at that, guys. Wow, that is super cute. I'm digging it. Wow, I am so digging it. Let's see what they say about the bracelet. So, sterling silver plated cube link multicolor crystal bracelet. So it's a colorful glass crystals are enclosed within see-through cubic links to make up the length of this bright and cheery bracelet. The value of this bracelet is $25. Totally reasonable, guys. It is plated in sterling silver, so that's pretty awesome. Okay, I'm down. I am down. I really like this bracelet. Yeah, they're nailing my style so far. Okay, then this looks to be a hat. A slouchy beanie hat. Oh, how cute. Oh, look at this. Oh, dude, they kill it. Wow. Dude, this is awesome. Look at this. Wow, I love this. They are killing it with the branding. You guys seeing this? They are killing it. I mean, they're killing it. I love this. Wow. I would totally wear this. I'm not going to put it on right now and mess up my hair, but I definitely will wear this because, you know, it gets super cold where I live. This is awesome and very well made. Wow, I am digging this box, guys. Wow, what a great segue, I guess you can say, or a great thing that I canceled the FabFitFun because they messed up, and I got this one because it's allowing me to get a much better box that's suited towards me. I love it. So this is the, I don't see it. Oh, here it is. Red cable knit slouchy beanie cap. So keep warm in this slouchy knit beanie cap. This hat is designed to be longer than other hats to create a mega slouched look. Love it. Great idea. Made with only the softest materials, this traditional cable knit hat is sure to please. The value of the hat is $16, and it comes in tons of other colors. My understanding, I'm sure I went over this when I explained what they have to offer from their website, is that they have things that you can actually purchase on their website. So they're providing all the different colors they have for this particular hat, which are gray, ivory, black, red, taupe, and brown. So plethora of colors for this hat, and the value is $16. Very affordable for a nice, well-made hat. Oh, how cute! Oh, they are killing it with the packaging. So it says Luxury Divas or LD Accessories Box Babe. Look at this mug. Yes! Definitely get used to the mug, and I love this touch. Oh, stop it. So it looks like they have some tea in here. I'm going to undo it, actually. Stop it. Oh, they are killing it, guys. Along with some... Ooh, that's nice. So they have some hot cocoa, and then they have the marshmallows for your hot cocoa. So that is such a nice touch, guys. So not only do they give you the mug, but they also make sure to give you some stuff that you can use in your mug. I love it. This company is killing it. This is so awesome. Oh, wow, guys. I absolutely love this box. So I'm going to have to sit this aside, though, somewhere where it won't fall and get broken. Woo! So this is my last item in the box. Oh, I didn't read about the mug or the value, but I will really quick. So LD Box Babe Coffee Mug and Hot Chocolate. Enjoy a nice hot chocolate with your new LD Box Babe Coffee Mug, designed exclusively for Luxury Divas. The value of the mug is $13. Pretty awesome, guys. Okay, so here's the last thing, and it's purple. They're killing it because they have you fill out a quiz of what you like and what you don't like, and I obviously said purple was my favorite color, and they sent me a purple sweater. What? This place is awesome. Okay. They actually pay attention to your little quizzes, which is amazing. Oh, dude, this is so soft. Oh, look at how cute this is. Let me set our box down. Okay, what do we have going on here? It's not a sweater. It looks to be a shawl, maybe? Yes, it looks to be like a shawl. Oh, yes. Look at that, guys. My hair out of the way. This is going well. Look, I totally messed up my hair, which is great. But this is super cute. Look at this. Yes! I mean, I would totally rock this around the house and stuff to keep warm. I mean, this would be great for when I was at work. Look at how much I just totally trashed my hair. Just putting on a shawl. Imagine if I was trying on clothes. That is crazy. So I need to find the value of this, and I dropped it. So here's my gift. Or not my gift. My hologram. Back. Okay. So this is a purple knit ruffled edge shawl. That was the word I'm looking for. It's a shawl. So our beautifully knit shawl is perfect for crisp evening strolls, a day at the office. I just said it was great for work. Did I not just say that? My hair looks crazy. Awesome. So, or any occasion that calls for an added layer of warmth to keep the chill away. A timeless accessory for all. The value of this shawl is $39. It also comes in black, white, beige, brown, red, green, and obviously purple. What? Guys, I really love this. Oh my gosh, they really killed it with this box. So I gotta say, guys, they for this first one anyways, they 100% seem to pay attention to what my style was, what colors I prefer, and they made a great box for me. I am really happy with this box. I'm so excited. I paid $25 for this first box, but thereafter, it is a monthly box. It'll be $30 a month. So that's pretty awesome. $30 a month for this box. And I feel, obviously, the value is 100% there. They actually tallied it up for me. So we'll just do a quick recap as I normally do. So I have this purple knit ruffled edge shawl for $39 value. The non-skid soft knit slipper socks for $10 value. The red cable knit slouchy beanie cap for a $16 value. The sterling silver plated cube link multicolor crystal bracelet. Try to say that 5 times fast. $25 value. Sinful Eyes Role Play 16 color eyeshadow palette. The value on that was $20. And then the Luxury Diva Babe coffee mug and hot chocolate value for $13, making the total for this box $123. What? And guys, what I love about it is if you want to buy more or buy other things from their website, obviously their prices are very reasonable for what I feel to be great quality products. Love it. Love their packaging. I mean, they're killing it on the packaging. I'm actually just off the cuff here. I don't even mean to say this, but I guess I am. I'm actually considering starting my own subscription box. I'm looking into it. Nothing happening so far. I had to decide what kind of box it's going to be and what kind of stuff I'm going to put in it. But this gives me a lot of great ideas because they definitely killed it with their box. I'm very impressed with this one. Love it so very much. I definitely will keep getting their box whether or not I start my own or not. But I love this box. This was a great box. I'm super excited about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll have everything linked below if you're interested in getting your own Luxury Divas box, or if you just want to check out their website to see all the awesome things that they have for sale. They have a lot of great products that you can just buy outright without getting the box. I like getting the box. It's super fun to see what they put in these things, and I love a mystery type situation. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload a video. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! Okay, guys, so here's my box. I am so excited. Try it again. Okay, guys, so all right, try it again.